Many of the issues that you have raised certainly are concerns agitating the minds of many people here. But do you feel your party has taken a decision in a hurry, announcing bifurcation without addressing any of these competitive issues?
No, I see this is an issue of 2001 and 2. It has taken several rounds of discussion and all these things. It is an issue which all other parties, most of the other parties have welcomed the decision of formation of Telangana. It is only the Congress party who has not taken a decision. It has taken the decision last, now. But here there is a difference of opinion between the Seemandhra region and Telangana region. It is not because of just for the sake of difference. They are genuine concerns. They are concerns connected with irrigation of both areas, interchangeability, water terrain. If you go through the records, the first SRC also, the Fazal Ali Commission, had very categorically said, if you want to make optimum usage of water, both Godavari and Krishna basins are very live rivers. You can make optimum usage of water only if they are under one territory. So we have achieved to a large extent in irrigation projects, but still we have to achieve, we can achieve more. Nearly 2000 TMC of water goes into the sea every year. This year, till now, the season of rainy season has just started, a month. 3000 TMC has gone into the sea.
So
each TMC irrigates 10,000 acres of paddy. Even if you can utilize 500 or 600 or 1,000 TMC, we can meet the demands of the whole country, not of the state. If we can utilize about 1,000 TMC due to different projects, we can utilize the whole country's demands of food can be met from Andhra Pradesh. Another small point I forgot I should tell you. Apart from the shortage of power in Telangana, where they are producing 57 million units and consuming 113 million units, next 4 or 5 years, we have got all the lift irrigation schemes in line for them to start. In this lift irrigation schemes, approximately 42 lakh acres is going to come under cultivation. For having this, you require power of 175 million units in addition to what you are using now. So you are talking of 290 million units you require in the next 4 or 5 years to address at least these 4 months or 5 months, if not for the whole year, for this lift irrigation. It is a very complicated issue. We do not have coal. Gas is in shortage. We have to import coal. Any plant you start now, even Singareni, we are starting a plant in Adilabad, Singareni and Genco, having 1200 megawatts. But even Singareni does not have coal allocation. So these allocations are done by Government of India. These allocations are for 25 or 30 years or till the plant lasts, and it becomes very difficult for us to get new allocations. So it is very important that the central government or the committee who is going to look into this looks at all these aspects. These are aspects connected with the common people of both regions. It is connected with peasants, it is connected with farmers, it is connected with ordinary citizens, it is connected with industry. Last summer, we had a cut of 15%. The state literally, we were shortage of 15%, and the shortage was felt so much, and there was so much criticism on the government. Imagine a state with 40 or 50% no power. What is the condition of the state? All these issues should be addressed. My request to the central government or the committee who is going to look into this is all these issues have to be addressed. The people of the state, people of both regions, when something is, state is going to be divided and something has to be done, a problem should be solved with a solution. A problem cannot be solved by creating a bigger problem. So we have to see for solutions. Solutions for all these things. Solutions for all the people from both regions. That is my request to the central government and to the committee. Because these things are not things which you cannot go through. These are all things which are black and white, which are in our records, which you can go through, and we would like that before any step is taken ahead of whatever decision they want to take, these have to be addressed.
So you are suggesting,
thank you very much.
So you are suggesting that the last word has not been heard on bifurcation.